Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good in life and I am doing good too. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Akanksha Bhandari. I live in the state California in the pretty city Sunnyvale. So in this video, I'll do a small jewelry haul. I'll show you the whole jewelry collection, whatever I have in here in the US, because most of my collection is still in India. So I can't show you that obviously. So I will start off showing you few of my Indian jewelry collection. Guys, this whole video is all about Indian jewelry haul. This is all about it, right? I do have western jewelries, but then I will see the responses in the video, and if it turns out good, then probably I'll do another video on my western collection jewelry. So yeah, keep watching this video till the end. So guys, look at this bangle set. I actually got this from Delhi. I got it from the market Chandni Chowk. This bangle I got it for my wedding, and if you see my wedding video on Instagram, you might find these bangles on my hands. So yeah, it's beautiful. I usually pair these bangles with the Indian outfits which I wear. If you have seen my last video, which is about Tej festival, so you might have seen me wearing these bangles. I really love them and it's gorgeous. Just look at this. Guys, this is the earring and it's very beautiful and I love wearing them. I got these earrings from Myntra. These are super gorgeous. I love wearing them. So usually I pair it with the Indian attire which has the darker shade in color. I love them. So last time, as far as I remember, I wore these earrings last year on my niece's birthday. I think last year when I was in Delhi. Look at this. So moving on, let's go ahead with my another pair of jewelry. This is another pair of earring and I love wearing them. You can pair it with any outfits including western and Indian. So simple and it's classy and elegant at the same time. So I love wearing them. So guys, I know like I'm only showing all of these jewelries. I'm not telling you the price in this video because I don't remember it. I can tell you like from where I ordered all these pairs, but yeah, in case if you want me to tell their prices, if you want me to attach the links, I will do that because currently I have to deep down on my order list. When did I order? Because these are very old earrings. It's not like I have bought it a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months ago. It's not like that. I have it like long back. So let's move on, guys. This is the another set. It's a set. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. Actually, I think I have lost its earring and I'm searching for it. Just wait. So guys, I got it. This is a choker set, and to pair this choker you can wear this as well. I really love wearing this, but then these days I don't find any occasion to wear, so that is the only reason I'm not wearing this, but I'm just looking for the opportunity to wear this. I bought this neck piece from Agra. So there is a very famous bazaar in Agra which is I think Lohar Gali. I think so, yeah. I love this color as well. If you can see, this is the color and I think this matches with what I'm wearing today. So I don't know, I'll try next time. Yeah, maybe next time. So speaking of my dress, guys, I have paired these earrings with my dress today. So this actually I got it from Paonta Sahib. And guys, Paonta Sahib is one of the small towns in Himachal Pradesh. I've got these earrings from there. now it's time to keep hydrated because I've been talking a lot for a long time, guys. So yeah, moving on. So I actually forgot to tell you that I have 2 pairs of bangle set and I love wearing them, but then I don't wear them very frequently because these are super heavy. ये वाला जो बैंगल सेट है ना गाइस, मुझे ये एक नज़र में पसंद आ गया था. I actually got it to pair it with my lehenga because I wanted to carry that Jodha look. So for that purpose, I have bought these to pair it with my lehenga. I bought these bangles from Chandni Chowk and they have a huge collection of these bangles or neck pieces, earrings, anything, any Indian jewelry. If you want, you can go to Chandni Chowk and get something. But yeah, can't go there very often, so I really miss shopping from Chandni Chowk. So guys, look at this one. This is another pair of earring which I have actually got from Amazon. Simple, sober and very beautiful. I love wearing them. Actually, I love this color. Look at what I'm wearing is also green and this set is also green. But since this is long, so I thought to pair my outfit with this earring rather than just this because this is very small. In case if you are wearing something heavy, something loud, then maybe you can wear these earrings with those loud outfits or maybe heavy outfits if you want to wear, because if you are wearing something loud, something heavy and that looks very vibrant, so try to wear something minimal on your face, whether it is related to your makeup or maybe it's related to your earrings, your bangles. Just do everything as minimal as you can when you're wearing something loud. If you're not, then you can wear anything, and this is again my suggestion. It's not like I'm imposing this on you guys, it's not like that. You can wear whatever you want, but this is my personal suggestion and this is what I have been doing since a very long time, so I love doing that. And if you also love doing this, great, we are relatable. Moving on, I'm gonna show you next beautiful earring which I actually got from Myntra again. By the way guys, I do a lot of shopping. I used to do a lot of shopping from Myntra while I was living in India, but ever since I've moved to California, I've stopped buying jewelry because it's super expensive, and also like I don't have any events coming up to wear all these Indian jewelries, so I mean that is also another reason that I'm not shopping jewelry. So now speaking of which, this is another jewelry and this jewelry I just love it. If you see this jewelry, it might look very heavy, but trust me, it is not as heavy as you think. It's very lightweighted and it's very gorgeous. You can pair it with your Indian dresses or maybe you can pair it with something Indo-Western. If you have any proper Indian dresses, maybe saris or maybe suits, you can pair these earrings with them. And this is also something which I have got it from Myntra. Yeah, I love shopping from Myntra. Can't say much now because I'm not shopping from Myntra anymore and it's been a long time. I think it's more than 7 months. Yeah. So guys, now I'm showing you one of my jewelry set which I have actually bought it from Jaipur. So I'll just show it to you. I love silver jewelries, by the way. I mean, I love as much as I love golden jewelries, but then silver jewelries are love. I mean, you can pair it with anything. If you even have the western attire, you can wear silver or oxidized jewelries. It looks very elegant and very classy. So but the one which I'm going to show you, you can pair it with a white kurta or maybe a yellow one, it will look very pretty. So this I got it from Jaipur, from one of the shops in the local street, but it looks very good and it is super lightweighted. So guys, this is another pair of earring, and I have got this earring from my best friend. She has gifted me this. It's been a long time, I think it's been 4 or 5 years. When she used to stay in Ahmedabad and I used to stay in Delhi, and one day we have decided to meet and then he got me this. I really love wearing these earrings, and used to wear this in my office in Bangalore. Whenever I'm wearing something Indo-Western or maybe Indian attire, I used to wear this earrings, and it looks very simple and it looks very beautiful. I also remember one day I was wearing this and one of my colleagues have actually complimented me for wearing these earrings. So yeah, this is good. Yeah, thanks Pooja. So guys, moving on, I'm gonna show you some of my hand pieces. I don't know what to call it, but I just love wearing them, so I bought it. It's very easy to open, easy to wear and easy to remove. It's super cool, and yeah, again, I love silver jewelries. I love wearing them. Look at this. So guys, I can't even express how much I love wearing these jewelries. This Chotu one, I have bought it from Jaipur. I got this. So most of these things you can easily buy in Jaipur or maybe in Delhi, and in Dehradun also you can get it, because I have been in these cities and I have got all my collection from there. I mean, some jewelries are from online websites like Amazon and Myntra, but other than that, most of the Indian jewelries I have bought from the cities like Dehradun, Delhi. Yeah guys, I think I have covered pretty much most of my Indian jewelries, but I'm just checking if in case I have few more to show you. So yes, I do have actually. So guys, I have got another earrings. मतलब मैं दूसरा neck piece ढूंढ ही रही थी, and then I got my eyes on this. This is very pretty. Again, in the silver shade, and I love these pearl ka kaam. I really love in the earrings, and yeah, it's pretty cute and it's very beautiful. And I have got this from one of my colleagues while I used to work in Bangalore, and she has gifted me this. Thanks Bobs. So her name is Babita, but then I all of a sudden started calling her Bobs. I don't know why. So guys, next I have these oxidized earrings again. Look at this. Guys, I love wearing them. These are so lightweighted. I mean, I hardly can feel anything. It's super light and it's very pretty. Moving on, I have this earring, and this is again, it's very pretty. This is also I've bought from Dehradun, and it's super gorgeous. Yeah, and moving on, guys, it's not like I don't have the cases for these jewelries. I do have these cases. Look at this. Guys, I'm actually trying to find one piece, but I'm not getting it. I'm searching for it. I'm searching for it. Oh, I got it. So I got this neck piece and I'm so in love with this. Look at this, guys. This is basically a choker, and it will look something like this. Guys, my hair, so it will look something like this. It looks like a payal, but it's not payal. It's a choker. And this is something. Yeah, so this might sound new to you guys because this one I got it from Bangalore for the first time. I usually don't shop all these jewelry stuff from Bangalore, but that time I didn't have anything to wear, so I thought, I mean, I didn't have anything in silver, and that too for the neck, so I thought to buy something from Bangalore. And I didn't have time to order online and then that order will come and then I can wear it. I didn't have time that time, and I ended up buying this one from Bangalore, and it is also very pretty. Got this from the commercial street from Bangalore. It's good. And you guys, look at this. This is the chuda set. I paired this with my lehenga. As I told you guys that I wanted to carry Jodha look. So that is also the reason I have ended up buying this from Chandni Chowk. And I love this chuda, yaar. I'm actually waiting for some event to wear this again. As of now, I think I have, after my wedding, I have wore this, I think, maybe a couple of times. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video, and if you did, please hit the like button, and if you subscribe my channel, you will get the first notification flashing on your phone. So guys, if you have any suggestion on what topic I can make my further videos, please comment down, and I would love taking suggestion from you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.